All right, y'all. We got something special for you today. Uh, you know, Here in the last few months, or actually over last summer, I was on a low carb, no carb diet. Did lose about 35 to 40 pounds, but over the holidays, I kind of slacked off on it. Started introducing a few carbs back in. I have gained about 5 pounds of that back. So we're gonna we're gonna start watching our carbs more. And this is a recipe that I found to kind of help with that. It's called Carnivore sausage gravy. So sounds good to y'all? Sounds good to me. Uh, we're gonna get over here to the stove and we're gonna get to cooking. So let's go. All right, y'all. Get this carnivore sausage gravy going. We're going to get 1 pound of your choice of sausage. I'm using Walmart brand, and we're just going to break it up here a little bit and brown it up and get her cooking. So kind of get it broke up here a little first while we're getting it browning. Just makes it easier. So, and it cooks faster. So, all right, let's throw a lid on this here. Get this raw sausage off here. All right, I'm gonna throw a lid on this. We'll get her browned up, and when that's done, we'll bring you back for the next step. All right, y'all. Got the sausage all browned up. I'm just cooking down some of this grease. Uh, I find that if you let it cook down, it gives a better flavor to the sausage gravy you're making. Uh, but yeah, so we got our other ingredients here. We got a 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, and we got a block of cream cheese. So as soon as this grease kind of cooks down a little more, and I can get it drained off, we'll add the rest of the ingredients and show you how it turned out. Alright, y'all, I got that kind of cooked down and drained off. So now we're going to take a half a block and we're just going to eyeball this up. And I guess it said to cut it into chunks, so I guess so it melts easier. So, alright. Now I do have it over like a medium heat, roughly. And I have had my cream cheese sitting out for half hour, 40 minutes. So let's get this melted down. Now the recipe had serving suggestions of putting this over scrambled eggs. I'm not a huge fan of scrambled eggs, so I did make up some mini biscuits. I know that doesn't make it, I mean, that kind of takes away from the carnivore deal, but you know, it is what it is. Uh, a few carbs won't hurt you as long as you're not overdoing them. So, all right. That's melted down mostly. Now I'm going to add my heavy whipping cream. That's 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. So once that comes up to temperature, I'm sure it'll help melt the rest of that cream cheese. And it's supposed to thicken as it cooks, so, or as it warms up, or whatever you want to call it. I'm going to turn my heat down just a little bit more. That way we don't scorch it. Scorch that cream. So now I am going to add, they said you didn't need to add any salt or pepper, but I've used this sausage before, and it does need a little bit of pepper to it. So we're going to sprinkle a little bit of pepper in there, a little bit of a lot, and yeah, we're going to bring this up to temperature, or up to a simmer, and let her thicken. So, all right, I'll do this off camera. You guys probably bored watching me play with my meat, so we'll get this up and get it reduced down or thickened up, and we'll bring you guys right back. Alright, y'all, this is thickened up pretty nicely. So I got me a bowl over here with some mini biscuits in it. These are the little mini biscuits that I use, you know. So, and y'all that just spoon your, you know, just split your biscuits and shovel your gravy over top, y'all don't know what you're doing. You got to break your biscuits up, put them in a bowl. So, all right, let's get some of this gravy over top of this stuff here. So, all right, there's that. I'll move it off the hot burner here. So, all right, yummy, yummy in the tummy. So, all right, let's do our taste test. All right, y'all, gravy's all made up. Yummy, yummy. So, let's do a little tasty test here on this, you know, carnivore gravy. Looking good, looking good. Yum. Not bad. It's different. You can definitely taste the cream cheese. You know, me personally, I would probably either get a sausage that has a lot of sage in it, or add some extra sage to it. The flavor of the cream cheese, that's the most dominant flavor. You can't really taste the sausage like regular sausage gravy, but that is a good alternative. I like that. I will probably make it again. So there you have it, y'all. Carnivore sausage gravy. And I put mine over biscuits. You can put yours over whatever you want. It would probably be really good over like a hamburger patty with some sauteed onions, mushrooms, you know. That would probably be really good. Over some corned beef. Maybe even some dippy eggs on top. There you go. Hamburger patty, sauteed onions, that gravy, and a couple dippy eggs. You got yourself a meal there. So, all right. You know, just talking future me. So, anyways, love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. If you would, please hit that thumbs up button. It does really support the channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Get the notifications of everything we do here in the kitchen, out in the shop, or wherever we happen to be at, doing whatever we happen to be doing. So, appreciate you all again. Love you. And as always, bear appetit.